See, exercise 3.5 over. Now little bit more question is there in the NCERT, some example question. Example number 17. Example number 17, page number 63. Page number 63 from your NCERT book I am talking. From your NCERT book. Maybe in the Karnataka board it will be somewhere here there. Correct? Because here people have just shuffled the chapter's name and remain thing is same only. So here saying solve the pair of equation. Solve the pair of equation and question is 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 13 and 5 by x minus 4 by y is equal to minus 2. Correct? Till now whatever question you have done, that is x will be here only, right?
Sir.
X will be here and y will be here only, but here it is downside. Here it is. So if you get question like this, assume something. Correct? So what I am assuming, let 1 by x is equal to u. 1 by x is equal to and 1 by y is equal to v. Correct na? Yes or no? So if 1 by x is equal to u, then what becomes? This is 2u plus 3v is equal to 13 and this become 5u minus 4v is equal to minus 2. Yes or no? Now same equation. If we come to same, simplify it. This one multiply into 3, this one multiply into 4. So 8u plus 12v is equal to 13 for the. Why you ask, sir, right? If you know right directly, right? Why you asking me? Yes or no? Well, this wrong question don't bloody ask only to me, right? I see it just seeing ABCD. Table 7, what is that, right? So here 5 3 ja, at least thank God, thank you man. 15u, then 3 4 ja, 2 3 ja, minus 6, right? So this get cancelled. This get so here 15 plus 8. Say I will not say only 15 plus 8. Try
23, sir.
23 u. Now 52 minus 6. So 2 minus 6 is 5. Abhe chamar here 2 minus 6. This is 12 minus 6. How you can subtract 2 minus 6? It's 6. 2 minus 6 is 6. What remains this one?
4.
Correct na? So x u is equal to 23 2 ja 46. 23 2 ja 23 2 ja. So x u is equal to
2.
2. U is equal to 2. Acha, if u is equal to 2, put here.
24.
You only have to reply. 2 2 ja
4.
2 2 ja because u is equal to 2. So 2 2 ja 4. This side plus 4. This side.
Minus 4.
So 13 minus 4. How much?
9.
9. How? Why minus 9? 13 minus 4 is plus 9. Concentrate. Just try it. 13 minus 4 is 9. And here 3v. 3v is equal to 9. 3v equal to. So v is equal to.
3.
V is equal to.
3.
Correct? Yes or no? Acha, now. So u is equal to what we assumed?
X.
1 by x. U is equal to. So it's equal to 1 by x. Is equal to. Is equal to 1 by y. Yes or no?
Sir.
Means x bring here, x bring here. So x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3. See, x bring here, 2 bring here. Yes or no? So x is equal to 1 by 2, y is equal to.
1 by 3.
See, you can't leave answer in u and v. You can't leave answer in because in the question u and v is not given. Yes or no? If not given, how you can leave the answer in u and v? True. Yes or no? So just whatever you get answer, after that you should bring into x and y. Done? Question number? Sorry, example number? 18. Again saying solve the pair of linear equation by reducing them to a pair of linear equation. 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2, and here 6 by x minus 1, wait, I'll write it a little bit down. X by, sorry, 6 by, but I will not write here. 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. Correct? Or yes or no? Yes or no?
Sir.
Now see, downside I can see x is equal to, sorry, 1 something by x minus 1. Or yes or no? And y minus 2, x minus 1, y minus 2.
Sir.
So same thing. So shall I assume 1 by x minus 1 is equal to u, and 1 by y minus 2 is equal to v.
P.
Yes or no? This is let. So what our question become? 5u plus 1v is equal to 2, and here what become? 6u 6
U.
minus 3v is equal to 1. So which one you want to cancel? V.
Sir. V.
So just say multiply by 3, because if you try to cancel u, you should multiply by 5 and multiply by 6. Whichever is that only cancel. So see, 5 3 ja plus u means 1 u, 1 into 3
3.
v is equal to 3 into 2
1. 6. Sir.
I'm thinking next Nobel Prize you only will get. So here 6u minus 3v is equal to 1. Acha, in these people, you two are speaking something, even you are speaking something. You two are quiet. Maybe thinking if I speak, I will get insulted. This only thinking, na? Or thinking, let it be, whatever happening, let it go. If you are thinking if I speak, it will be wrong and I will get insulted, you can't learn, man. This is your classroom. Getting? This is your classroom. You speak. This whole thing I can solve directly, but I am asking you means you should speak. This is the time where you can learn. Don't think while practicing you can learn this thing. In home it's not possible, and in your school what they will teach. So when I am saying just speak, try na, what will happen max to max. So now this get cancelled, right? So what will come here? 15 plus 6. 15 plus 6.
21.
6 plus 1.
7.
So u is equal to
27 by 21.
7 by
21.
how many times?
3.
So u is equal to
3. 1 by 3.
1 by 3. U is equal to? Achha, u is equal to 1 by 3. Here we'll put, it will become more easy. Yes or no? Because if you put here, it will come into fraction. Getting the how to select like which one you should put. So I'm putting here. So u into, sorry, not u, 6 into 1 by 3 minus 3v is equal to 1. Yes, na? So 3 2 is 6. So minus 3v is equal to 1 minus 2.
Yes, sir.
So minus 3v is equal to minus 1. V is equal to 1 by 3. Yes or no? Minus minus get. So u also is equal to 1 by 3 and v also is equal to 1 by 3. But question is, the question it doesn't ask the value of u and v. The question asks the value of x and y, right? They didn't ask value of u and v. So find the value of.
X and Y.
So 1 by x minus 1 is equal to u. Is equal to?
U.
So u is equal to? U is equal to?
1 by 3.
So right here 1 by 3. And 1 by y minus 2 is equal to v. V is equal to also 1 by 3. Cross multiply. So x minus 1 is equal to 3. X is equal to 4.
4.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Here y minus 2 is equal to 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So y is equal to?
3.
Y is equal to?
5. 5.
मतलब उसने बोला he have confidence, he have told correct only, right? Finally in 1 hour he has spoke something.
1 hour. Yes,
Actually not 1 hour, we have started at 7,
7:20.
21.
Yes, sir.
23, 24 I think. Correct, get to know?
Yes, sir.
So question number?
Start 8 minutes, sir.
Example number 19. Example number
19.
19, page number 65. Page number 65, saying a boat goes 3 kilometer upstream and 30 kilometer upstream, 30 kilometer
Upstream.
and 44 kilometer downstream in 10 hour. 44 kilometer downstream in 10 hour. Means both situation time is same only. Time is same, but upstream means upstream means
Upstream. In ऊपर. In going there.
up means
Ah.
राइट. अरे अप मीन्स तो ऊपर ही जा रहा होगा, है कि नहीं? देख ले भाई क्या होता है. ये नदी है, ये क्या है?
हाँ, yes, sir. जिस तरह से वेव चल रहा है उसका
हाँ,
तो-
ये पता है सर मेरे
ये वेव है. दिस इज द
वेव.
वेव. इफ बोट आई कैन ड्रा मैन.
हाँ सर बहुत था
राइट ना? दिस इज द बोट, राइट?
Yes, sir.
Thank God, I know something to do. This is the chappu.
हाँ, वेव है.
Correct.
ಮೋಟರ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್,
What happened?
ಮೋಟರ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ
ಅದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ
ಸರ್,
ಕಾಲ್.
This not motor boat, okay? This hand boat. So only I did chappu.
सबको
Correct? So like,
सर
if boat is going in the flow of water, and one is saying against the water, like flow of water is this side, flow of water is this side, and boat is also going this side. This is called downstream. This is called downstream. But if
Wave.
flow is this side, flow is
side.
this side and boat is going this side,
Yes, sir.
this is called upstream.
Upstream.
Upstream. Getting upstream and downstream.
Sir.
ಸರ್.
First, acha. Now, if it is upstream,
स्ट्रीम
upstream, correct na? Means flow is this side, flow is
This side.
and boat is
This side.
this side. Against, going against. A speed will decrease or increase.
Decrease.
Speed will
Decrease.
speed, right? Speed will decrease. And upstream. Sorry, downstream, right? Boat is going
This side.
this side, and flow is also.
This side.
So speed will
Increase.
increase. Speed
Increase.
increase. Get to know the logic of downstream and upstream.
Yes, sir.
Copy this also, right? Acha, now read the question. Saying a boat goes 30 kilometer upstream and 44 kilometer downstream. 44 kilometer
Doors.
downstream in 10 hour. In 13 hour, it can go 44 kilometer upstream and 55 kilometer downstream. Determine the speed of a stream and determine the speed of boat. They are saying to find the speed of the boat and the speed of the stream. So find, let a speed of the boat be x and a stream be
वाई
y. Yes na? Let speed of boat. See, this poor person writing also board, BOAD, because we don't know, we can't fly in, we can't go in the boat, right? Paper boat only we can do. Reality came on the board, man. The speed of boat be x kilometer
पर आवर
and the speed of a stream
वाई किलोमीटर
per hour. Correct na?
Yes, sir.
Acha. Means if it is upstream, then a speed what will happen? Speed will decrease.
Decrease.
Speed will
Decrease.
upstream means a speed will decrease. Means which one a speed will decrease? Boat speed will decrease or stream speed will decrease?
Stream.
अबे चमार,
What?
stream will come in the same way. A speed of boat will decrease. तो क्या लगता है तू पानी को रोक देगा? मजा आ गया भाई.
Swimming what is?
Correct. And in downstream, a speed will be
Increase.
x plus y. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, now time is equal to what? Time is equal to wow.
Distance.
मतलब प्रभु कहाँ से आए हैं आप? मतलब अभी तक ले पता नहीं कितना बार ये फिगर बनाया होगा. DTS
Sir,
Details.
time is equal to D by S.
Yes, sir.
हाँ? तीन टाइम?
Yes, sir. DPS.
रहने दे भाई. Don't waste the time. So now, first one saying 30 kilometer going and 44 kilometer coming. 30 kilometer going and 44 kilometer coming takes 10 hour. Takes 10 hour. So 30 kilometer is upstream. Means 30 by x minus y. This is the time. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Plus 44. 44, right?
40.
44. Upstream x plus y is equal to 10. Getting what I written? 10 hour.
10 hours. Yes, sir.
30 kilometer upstream and 44 kilometer downstream traveling in
10 hours.
10 hour. So we have find it for upstream. We have find it time for upstream. Find it time for downstream. And total time is how much?
10 hours.
So this is also time. This is also time. Total time is 10 hour. Yes or no? This is the one situation. This is the अच्छा. Next situation was saying 40 kilometer upstream. So 40 by x minus y. This is the time.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Sir.
Time is equal to distance by speed. So 40 by speed is how much? X minus y. Written. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And 55 kilometer upstream. So x plus y. And total time taking how much?
10 hours.
13 hour.
13 hours.
So we get our two equation. We got our
Equation.
yes or no? Now just we should simplify. Just we should.
Simplify.
So let 1 by x minus y is equal to u. 1 by x plus y is equal to v. Yes or no? Nah. Why all become full quiet?
Yes, sir.
See, I am teaching, I am standing, and he is getting tired. See how good relation is there. 30 u plus 44 v is equal to 10, and 40
U
u
plus 55V is equal to 13.
is equal to 13. Now anyone you should cancel. Anyone you should?
Answer.
Which one will cancel? U or v?
V, sir. U, sir. V, sir.
Bet. For cancelling v, you need to think a lot. Correct. So better cancel
You.
u. Multiply here by 4, here by 3. So what become? 34 ja 120 u plus 4 4 ja 16 17 v is equal to 40. Here 120 u plus 5 3 ja 15 5 3 ja 15 1
16.
16,
39
sorry.
39. After writing this is correct. Cancel.
39.
So 1 1 v. Yes na?
Yes, sir.
Is equal to 1. So v is equal to 1 by 11. V is equal to
1 by
1 by
11.
11.
acha. If we get the value of v, we should put here. Yes na?
Yes, sir.
So 30 u plus 44
24.
Is equal to
11.
Speak now. Speak, please, speak.
6.
Correct. We get the value of u and
V.
v. Correct. But we don't want the value of u and v. What we need?
X and Y.
X and y. X and
Y.
so just put now. So 1 by x minus y is equal to 1 by u is equal to 1 by 5, right? Yes or no? U is equal to,
1 by 5.
Yeah, 1 by 5, sir.
after this much time, remember, man? V is equal to,
V is equal to 1 by 11.
1 by 11.
now, so x minus y is equal to 5, x plus y is equal to 11.
11.
From here we'll get x plus y is equal to 11. Now cancel. 2x is equal to 16, right? So x is equal to 8. X is equal to
8.
Acha, if x is equal to 8, 8 minus y is equal to 5. So minus y is equal to 5 minus 8 minus y is equal to minus 3. Y minus cancel, y is equal to
3.
3. This much kilometer per hour. Getting?
Sure.
This is the x is equal to 8 kilometer per hour. What is that? Speed of the boat. And this is the speed of the y is equal to
Downstream.
Downstream.
speed of a stream. So speed of a stream is 3 kilometer per hour and boat speed is 8 kilometer per hour. Correct? Done?
Done, sir. Done. Finish, sir.